Good day and welcome back to my channel. I hope you like my first video about Suklating Baterol of Pampanga, and I would like to thank all the subscribers who subscribe my channel. Kung hindi pa sa mga nag-subscribe, please subscribe now. So, isang makakalikasang araw sa ating lahat, and I'm vlogging my advocacy for today. Last July 27, may email akong na-receive. So, ganito kasi yon. Umaga, pagkagising, siyempre, lahat ng mga emails, yan, bubuksan mo para tingnan kung ano yung mga importanteng emails from your work. Tinignan ko, may isang email na unknown, hindi siya kasama dun sa mga email list ko. So, nakita ko from UK. So, binuksan ko siya, and then it says that our local wetlands or yung Pilipinas chosen me as the ambassador for Wetlands International. So, medyo nawawa ko kasi international yun. So, I'll be representing our country as a youth ambassador for wetland conservation. And nakaka-proud talaga. And then, I read the email. Nakita ko sa baba, may kaagad na palang task, which is to do a video campaign about the conservation, about my advocacy, which is magiging profile ng isang wetland ambassador. Nagmadaling ako, and then I called 13 Viajeros. 13 Viajeros pala, yun yung mga kasamahan natin na vloggers. Lagi akong guest doon sa vlog nila. I hope sila naman yung maging guest natin dito sa ating channel. So, I was asking to help me to do the video campaign. Parang medyo sobrang rush kasi siya. Babilisan lang. Binigay ng July 27, no, after 5 days, dapat nakasubmit ka na ng iyong profile video, which is nagagamitin doon sa international video campaign na ipapalabas globally, catching not the only local audience of the Philippines, but internationally and globally, yung gusto mong makatch doon sa iyong advocacy. Though meron naman mga guidelines na binigay ang Wetlands International, meron mga questions doon, and then I did answer all, but you will do the script based doon sa kanilang binigay. Pero they asking me to do, I will do the video campaign in our own dialect, in our own language. But then the Wetlands International requesting if they can do an English version of it. So, ginawa natin yung English kasi globally yung target natin, globally yung audience natin. So, nagawa naman. Ano ba yung Wetland Youth Ambassador? So, Wetland Youth Ambassador, actually, you encourage to conserve our wetlands. As a site manager of my local wetland, yung Sasmuan Bangkong Malapat, dito sa Sasmuan, actually it's a mangrove island, found doon sa mouth of the river dito sa amin. So, yun yung pinapangalagaan. And then, paano naman ako na-nominate? So, I didn't know na may nomination, and I didn't know na na-nominate ako as a youth ambassador. 2 days before yata yun, I received the email. One of the Wetlands International Philippines informed me na na-nominate nga ako for Wetland Youth Ambassador. So, parang 12 kami na-nominate or dun sa nomination, and then dalawa pala kami na as a Philippine Youth Ambassador for Wetlands. So, yung isa si Ma'am Ems or Emily Tsiboy ng Luzon Marsh Wildlife Sanctuary. Hello Ma'am Ems, yan. Sobrang nakaka-proud kasi of all the nominees, tapos kami dalawa pa yung napili to represent our country, and very nakaka-proud kasi you have the opportunity, a lot of opportunity na mai-showcase mo yung area mo, yung wetland mo. So, which is the Sasmuan. I featured Sasmuan, Bangkong Malapat, and of course, the whole coastal areas of Sasmuan. So, it's not just the Sasmuan, but I'm representing the Philippines. So fortunate yun na makita ng buong mundo ang ganda ng iyong lugar. So ginrab natin yon. That is why kinontak natin sina SBMCHEA to help us para magawa na yung sa ating video. So kung ano nga ba yung required doon sa video? So actually it's a selfie video yung required kasi syempre nowadays, kasi nasa ano tayo, na amidst of the pandemic crisis, hindi tayo po pwedeng lumabas ay mag-hire ng mga film crew para gumawa ng video campaign. So, since then, meron naman tayong mga kaibigan na taga rito rin to help us to do the videos. Paano namin nagawa? Nag-sketch kami ng day para gawin namin yung video na yon. So, we had to travel talaga doon sa wetland, doon sa Bangkong Malapad to do the video. So, the challenge is, yun nga, dahil pandemic, tapos kailangan sobrang maaga ka kasi nagbabase kami doon sa taas at baba ng tubig. Dapat pagdating namin sa area is low tide para at least makita namin yung mud flats, makita namin yung makapaglakad kami and we can do all art stuff para magawa namin yung video. The other challenge is ayaw namin talaga kasi na umabot kami ng sobrang taas na ng araw tapos sobrang init kasi doon sa area pag ganong oras na. So, doon sa mga mangroves, malamig naman, you can relax, pero pag nagbabiyahe kasi sa bangka, sobrang init. So, yun. The evidence is, yan, tingnan nyo, nasunog yung balat ko. Nagka-sunburn ako. So, yun yung isa challenge. And then, the other challenge na is, palipat-lipat kami ng location shoot namin. So, we need to do the first scene here, dun sa bad flats, and then dun sa loob ng mangroves, dun sa boardwalk, and then the last one is kailangan tumawid ka pa ng islet para magawa mo pa yung isang eksena doon sa video. So, daming challenge, but the whole thing is nag-enjoy lahat doon sa aming paggawa ng video. I-link ko dito yung ginawa nila mga behind the scenes, and actually they also vlogging. So they take the opportunity na yun nga, vlog nila na doon sa kanilang channel, SBMCHEA. So I hope you like it guys kasi ito na.
Wetlands, essential all life on Earth, keep the water cycle turning, are hugely diverse ecosystem. Mabuhay! From Sasmuan, Bangkong Malapad, Philippines, I'm Jason, and today I'd like to tell you a story that close to my heart. Come, walk with me. The most powerful thing is that it plays a vital role in the survival of coastal communities. The mudflats, mangroves, and river form a natural bioshield against elements with many species of fish, are essential source of food, and a cornerstone to building and sustaining the fishing industry here. I became a wetland ambassador, for I was chosen by Wetlands International Philippines program because of my passion, dedication, and commitment as a site manager to safeguard my local wetland and promoting its conservation in the community and the general public. As a youth ambassador, I promote the wise use of wetland through education information campaign, implement programs and activities like research, bird census, and mangrove planting. I established an ecotourism enterprise to improve the lives of the local community. I have partnered with different organizations like Wetlands International, Wild Birds Club of the Philippines, Erickson, to promote and champion the cause of our wetland. Sasmuan, Bangkong Malapad Critical Habitat and Ecotourism Area, or SBMCHEA, a mangrove islet found in the heart of Sasmuan, Pampanga. It is within the large and closed sea of Manila Bay. Level of diversity in the area is surprisingly diverse. This is the major reason why Sasmuan Malapad Critical Habitat and Ecotourism Area is considered as one of the birds migrating point in central Luzon. And its river releases a high level of oxygen supplying the neighboring provinces and Manila Bay, a good reason why it became a fish sanctuary of the province of Pampanga. Sasmuan Malapad supports the fishing industry and ecotourism enterprise. It provides jobs and livelihood for the community. Boat making, fish processing, and mangrove apple candy manufacturing are some of the opportunities enjoyed now by the locals. The 18 hectares of mangrove forest here in Sasmuan, Malapad is a powerhouse when it comes to carbon storage. Mangroves can sequester pound for pound 4 times more carbon than a rainforest. Most of this carbon is stored in the soil beneath the mangrove trees. One of the most powerful ways we have to fight climate change. We are out here helping something which hugely reduces carbon emission, and flooding is vital for biodiversity and for people to be able to adapt to the changing climate. And this powerful thing is 100% natural. So what is it? Wetlands!
So yun guys, bakit nga ba ako nag-advocate ng wetland conservation? Before kasi, 2013, nag-work na ako sa LGU ng aming bayan. And then, yun nga, nakita ko yung potential ng area di sa Malapad to develop it as a ecotourism area. But then, more than that, mas nakita ko pa kung ano yung kahalagan niya when Typhoon Glenda struck Manila Bay area. And it affects a lot doon sa aming coastal area. Meron tayong naranasan storm surge, and unfortunately, yung isang barangay natin dito sa Sasmuan hit with the storm surge na napakalaki. So, ang daming damage na bahay, tapos yung kanilang livelihood, damay din. So, yun yung nakita kong kahalagan. And it, doon sa study, doon sa aming assessment, why nangyari yun, we found out na may kakulangan na ng mga mangroves doon sa area. Dahil doon sa conversion ng mga mangrove areas into fish ponds, yun yung naging dahilan para maging prone sila doon sa storm surge. So, what we doing now is we do mangrove planting. In the future, meron na tayong natural barrier doon sa area. So, yun yung mga ginagawa natin for the wetlands conservation. So, yun guys, call to action. I would like to encourage all of you to please join us in protecting and conserving our wetlands. So, hindi lang yun. Amidst of this pandemic crisis, syempre, kahit nakita natin na huminga ang ating Mother Earth, yan, na nawalan or kukunti yung pollution sa atin, I think hindi pa doon nagtatapos kasi kahit nagsara na yung mga establishments, yung mga main contributors ng waste natin, meron pa rin tayong ina-expect na pagdami ng waste natin sa ngayon. Lalo na the need and yung demand ng face shields and face masks na yan for protecting ourselves. Yan, kung hindi talaga kung improper yung disposal ng mga yan, it will lead to another crisis. So, I'm advising and encouraging all of you to use please customize face mask na lang or washable face mask para at least makabawas tayo ng basura sa ating environment. Yun. So, maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga greetings ninyo and maraming salamat sa pa-carpoolin pa, of course, doon sa lahat ng mga nagbigay ng videos na congratulatory. messages. Yan. Maraming salamat. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the people behind the video campaign on wetland conservation, the power of wetland. Syempre, yung mga kasamahan natin, 13 Viajero, Yowi and Kathlyn, nandito yung link to subscribe in their channel. And of course, kay Sasmuan Snap, Anton Peña, nandito rin yung kanyang channel. Please subscribe also. And of course, I would like to thank Sir Tsiboy Mallari, event filmmaker. Nandito rin yung kanyang link. Please subscribe also to his channel. And of course, I would like to thank Wetland International Philippines program for choosing me as one of the youth ambassador for wetlands. And of course, kay Dr. Anadel Kabamban, Sir Ernie Jensen, Miss Riza, kay Ma'am Shin. Yan. So, maraming salamat sa inyo. So, yun guys, I hope you like my video for now. And I'll be leaving this tagline, nature is a treasure, save it for pleasure. Yan. So, abangan pa yung mga episode natin, mga vlog natin for my advocacy. So, I hope you learn a lot from this vlog. Sa lahat ng mga subscribers, thank you. Sa hindi pa nag-subscribe, please click subscribe. Guys, maraming salamat sa panonood and see you on my next vlog.